Hi, I'm Michael,
And I'm Alex.
and we are two product specialists here at BMW of Gainesville.
Today we're going to go over some of the differences and similarities between the 2018 X1 and 2018 X2.
Now let's get started. Hello everybody, this is Michael here at BMW Gainesville, and right here we have the X1 and the X2, and really quick I want to show you the similarities between the vehicles. X-Drive version, the all-wheel drive version of both cars' drivetrain, they have a 0 to 60 of 6.3 seconds, both of the vehicles do. And for the S-Drive, which is front-wheel drive, it has a 0 to 60 of 6.6 seconds. So they're both at the same speed when it comes to 0 to 60. And both of the vehicles are the only models on our lot that are front-wheel drive, and it's made front-wheel drive by BMW. They both contain 228 horsepower within their 2-liter 4-cylinder engines. They both have iDrive 6.0, and automatic headlights are standard. The backup camera is standard. And the powered tailgate is standard for both of the vehicles. 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission, Bluetooth, and rain-sensing windshields are standards within the two vehicles as well.
Hi everyone, this is Alex here with BMW Gainesville, one of the product specialists, and I'm going to talk about the differences between the X1 2018 and the X2 2018. So first thing I want to point out is that in the X2 you get sports seats standard with the vehicle, but in the X1 the seats are not standard. Another thing that's unique about the X2 is the roundel on the side. The X1 does not have a roundel on the side, only on the back and on the rims. And the X2 also has a unique trunk lever that you can use with the roundel, and the X1 does not have that. The trunk capacity for both the vehicles is also different. The X2 has a smaller trunk capacity at 21.6 cubic feet, while the X1's trunk capacity is 27.1 cubic feet. The X2 is also shorter in length than the X1 at 172.2 inches, while the X1 is 175.4 inches. However, the X2 is heavier at 3,662 pounds, while the X1 is 3,543 pounds. Thank you for tuning into our first episode of BMW Comparisons. We hope you found this video informative, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and we'll see you next time.